Good morning, well it'll be evening when you're watching this. I am a full kit wanker. I'm in my brand new but very dirty Troy Lee Designs kit, my brand new boots which are filthy already, and I'm about to do the Bridgestone trail at the ABR festival. The trail is slightly harder, slightly longer. I'm not going to do all of it today because I'll put in a short video from yesterday. We went down part of the trail which they said is really muddy. I basically ended up nearly dropping it multiple times. I dropped it once coming through a bog section. So the guy on the entrance to this trail said it's quite slippy and a little bit muddy, so if you'd rather go around the road, sort of feel free. I mean, I'm going to film this guy falling off. Sorry, bro. Go on, mate. He's just gone down. Let me go help him. Who's back up? Just to make a point. Look at it. Look how sweaty I am. So we're going to miss some of those sections today. I'm mildly hungover today. I had a McDonald's and all sorts to try and sort me out. Right, let's get going. I haven't actually been off-road today. I need a little bit of warming up. Sorry if there's a load of wind noise. I haven't really got much option because I'm standing up and I have no visor on. I've got my goggles on. I'm hoping it stays relatively empty for the run, because then I can ride a bit more like a dick. After this, I'm going to do a run on the monkey bike, and then I'm going to time it and see if I can beat Joe on his Africa Twin, bar the odd dirt road that I forced him to do. He's never actually properly been off road, and he's on road tyres. He's on the Carew streets, so it's not exactly the best thing in the world for doing this. I love off-road so much. There's quite a few Super Adventures here this week, but my bike is getting a lot of appreciation. Cool, hello, this has got a bit rougher from last time. Steve from a bike thing was showing off his Jekyll and Hyde exhaust that he's got on the giveaway bike, the giveaway GS. I went to see the RoadSkin guys, so my bike was there. I just blipped the throttle, and I'm sorry Steve, this sounds better. The whole crowd turned around like, what is that? I've got Arai chasing me down. So you might recognise that this is actually the backwards approach for the sand bit from last year. If you're going to do this trail, or any trail, next year, stand up. If you're sitting down, the micro movements of the bike underneath you end up pushing the bike out, and then all of your weight follows. So you end up counter-steering and end up coming off. I'm saying this as someone that has come off. Yeah, I went into a bog yesterday, came out the other side, and it was just I wasn't carrying enough speed. Right, this bit's quite muddy as well. Hopefully it's dried out somewhat. It did rain quite a bit yesterday, but this whole section down here was just bog yesterday. Why are you slowing down so much? Oh, many ruts, many ruts! I got stuck behind this guy and Teneri's caught up with me. That's the back wheel spinning! We met up with a few guys last night, Rich and a few of his mates. I mean, you won't mind me saying this, but fucking enormous Scots that ticked every box of everything you think of a Scottish person's accent. That's what they sounded like. Properly lovely guys, but we were on the point of thinking, yeah, maybe we'll go back to the tents now because it's getting late. We've had 4 or 5 beers. Maybe we'll call it a night. And then Rich and his mates turned up. Yeah, we must have had another 6 beers. Yeah, I wasn't feeling too bright this morning. Is this the section that's super muddy?
So there's a detour round the mud. Yeah. So it's up to yourself if you want to take it or not.
I went on it yesterday and I came so close to dropping it so many times. Okay, I'll do it then. Okay. Thank you, mate. Your beard's excellent. Basically, this was really slippy. All the way down here was like mud. And we got to the bottom and just went, oh, that's not too bad. Like, if that's the bit, if that's the bit he meant, then fine. He came around this like right-hand corner, and it was just thick bog all the way down this hill. It's way more technical today. I put the camera down the bottom there as a sort of a way of trying to catch some of the angles, because none of this looks anywhere near as difficult as it actually is. I mean, Mark from Leeds has got a video of me getting through it. I'll put that in now if I've got that. Mark, you have to send it to me if I haven't.
Nice one, Sam. Come on, Sam. Hello.
Oh, ruts. Ruts, 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 ruts. Cool, that's a deep rut. Fuck hell. Jeez Louise. That's a steep hill. Little bit of air. Gravel on the corner. My favourite thing in the world. Whistly helmet. They're doing the ride outs again as they did last year, where you can go and sort of book yourself in. There's quite a few people here this year actually that aren't on their own bike, or they've come in the car. A little bit there. And they've just, all they're doing is booking themselves in for a test ride, which is actually quite a good idea. Bumpy, 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 bumpy. Oh, GS nearly went down. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Come on in, bruv. Let me pass. Ow. Oh, my mirrors. So there you go, that is the main Bridgestone trail. There is a TRF trail, which is over there, which is predominantly for like enduro bikes. I did go on it yesterday, and it wasn't that bad. It's sort of, you can go to both of the bogs if you want to. I don't want to take this through the bog again. I got it stuck last year, and it took effort, like a lot of effort. I'm stuck. I don't know how I'm going to get out of this. The bike is standing up without me on it. Yeah, boy! I'm out! Yeah, boy! Yes! Whoop, whoop, whoop! I'm knackered! Fucking hell! And then this takes you to the VIP camping, that takes you to the normal camping. I love that guy. Every time I've gone past him, he's just like, massive smile on his face, thumbs up the lot. What a guy. So yeah, you've got all the VIP camping here. There's a load of pre-set up tents that you can buy, as per usual. There's the big bloody enormous house. It's absolutely packed. It's so busy. So again, you got all the bikes here. So there's BMW, where you can take out the GS's and whatever you want to take out. Honda, quick as fuck it. Yamaha. I do like these Tenere World Raids. And then on that side, you've got all the manufacturers, so like all the clothing and a bike thing, and RoadSkin, Halvarssons, they're all over there. Royal Enfield, Aprilia down here. You've got more camping over here, which is the normal sort of side, and then this is more VIP camping over this side. So if we go in here, just got to watch out for all these guy ropes. Richie Veed is over there somewhere. That is Mr. Teapot One's bike and Mr. Fish. And then if I come back round here, this is where we are. And there's my dad's bike and the monkey and Joe. Joe's sunning himself. That was that run on the Super Adventure. Looking like an absolute weapon. We're going to take out the beast now. Get a drink of water first though. Right, see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm going to try and get this done before my phone dies because it's on 6% battery. But I just want to say massive, massive thank you to every single one of you that I met at the ABR festival. Every single one of you that came over to say hello, that you love my videos, absolutely everything. You are a bunch of legends and I cannot thank you enough. I had an awesome, awesome time. The bikes are just about to get a wash. Because they bloody well need it. But not as bad as last year, which is great. Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you very much for everyone that met me, had a beer with me, Rich and your mates for buying me way too many pints, and a few of you for taking way too much of my abuse. Genuinely means a lot. So thank you very much, and I will see you in next week's video.